everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my Nykaa Pink Summer Sale haul, and guess what? Anytime there is a sale, I always try to pick one luxury item, and this time I picked up two for me. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Alright, so the first one is from Makeup Revolution, their Skin Silk Serum Foundation. I really wanted to try this foundation for the longest time, but looking at the shade range, you guys, I was totally disappointed. Somehow I managed to pick a shade for me. I know it will be a little too light on my skin tone, but I really wanted to see the formulation because I have heard people comparing it to Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Because I don't own that in my collection, so I can't talk much about it, but I really wanted to see how this formulation is all about because I have seen every influencer raving about it, and that's the reason I got it this time. Next, I picked up Forever 52 Sensational Foundation, which has SPF 50 with PA triple plus. Now, this gives you antioxidant protection, freckle reduction, skin repair, hydrating, smooth finish, nourishes and condition. This is a 30 ml tube. The shade I got for myself is Icon. I highly doubt whether it is going to suit me or not, you guys. And it comes in this kind of tube packaging with a pump. I know you all must have seen it by now, but I really wanted to try this foundation because I have heard a lot of good things about it. And when people talk good things about it, I really need to try it myself and share my part of review. So yes, a review is coming up very soon. Next, I picked up 4 new shades of e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. There was buy one get one, as you already know, and I really wanted to try this camo blush for the longest time, as I have heard a lot of them comparing it to Rare Beauty liquid blush, but this camo liquid blush is more long lasting and highly pigmented than the Rare Beauty ones. So I got all 4 new shades, and the swatches and review will be coming up very soon on my channel. I'm not going to swatch it at the moment, but I can tell you what shade I picked up for myself. So I picked up, coming in, Hot Pink Berry Well, then Bronze Bombshell, and Pinky Promise. Next, I picked up Focallure Transfer Proof Lip Cream, and this is in the shade PK04, and the expiry is also mentioned on the packaging itself. I have been trying out this shade, you guys, and I have my thoughts ready. Maybe I'll come up with a short video very soon. So that's how the packaging looks like. It is fancy. Here you can see it's mentioned transfer proof. Here is the brand name, and it is a see-through packaging with the component inside, and it comes in this kind of applicator, which is really very soft, very cushiony, and very easy to apply on the lips. But about the formulation, I will come up with a review very soon. And that's the shade PK04 on my brown skin. I hope the camera is picking the actual color, because on the camera I can see it's a little bit lighter compare it to the real images. So yeah, if you are interested how these lip cream or this transfer proof lipstick performs, then please keep an eye on my channel. Next, I picked up a luxury makeup, that too a foundation, and it is from Clinique, their newly launched Even Better Clinical Vitamin Makeup Foundation that has SPF 50, and the shade I picked up for me is Medium Warm 2. I was really very confused to select a shade for me because there were no proper breakdowns of the shades given, what shade is going to suit which skin tone, and even the images that had the shades mentioned, I felt it was really very deceiving. Somehow I managed to pick up a shade for me. I'm going to give you an entire tea and the story in my review video, which I will be doing very soon, so please keep an eye on that. And I really got it at a very steal deal. This retails for rupees 4,100. That's how the inner packaging looks like. I am really liking the inner packaging. It's this kind of oval and sleek. So yeah, definitely a glass packaging, and holding it in your hand, you come to know that yes, it is a luxury brand. Alright, so next I picked up another luxury foundation from YSL. It is Yves Saint Laurent and it is their all cover foundation that provides you with full coverage, luminous matte, and it has SPF 39 with PA triple plus. You get 25 ml of quantity. The shade I picked up for myself is DN1. I know the shade is going to be a bit dark on my skin tone because Nykaa has not brought all the shades in India. There was another shade before this which is MN10 and I believe it is going to match me perfectly because this, once I swatched it on me, it is pretty dark, but definitely I'm coming up with a review soon with first impression, so you can have a fair idea whether you need this foundation in your life or not. Now that's how the packaging looks like. It's flashy gold, but I don't feel that vibe when I hold this outer packaging in my hand. It feels very cheap quality, very clumsy. It has a lot of marks and I don't know what. Anyways, coming to the inner packaging, that's how it looks like. This inner packaging has a good weight to it, and when I hold it in my hand, yes, it definitely screams luxury, and it comes with a pump. I haven't used it yet, so please keep an eye on the upcoming first impression videos coming soon on all of these base products. And with my YSL foundation, I got this YSL Touche Éclat blur primer as a free gift. This is a 10 ml quantity. That's how the product looks from inside. It comes with a spatula, but let me tell you, I got this product at night and this contains a lot of tiny shimmer particles which you cannot see it at the moment, but if you keep it under very stark light, you can definitely see those shimmer particles shining. And even on my hand when I tried to use it, the shimmer particles was still visible. Like, it was not too much, but you can totally make out if you closely look at it, and it does not get melted on your skin. And this side I have used this primer. This is a silicone base, and that is how it is going to give you that blurry effect, giving you that smoothened out skin. And definitely I am going to try out this blur primer on the day when I am reviewing this foundation. I'm going to wear this on the problematic area, like where I have got large open pores, and on the rest of my face I definitely like to use my moisturizing and hydrating primers. But you know what, when I received this foundation, I got in this normal Nykaa box and it did not came in this black box. So I wonder why is it so, and I tried to raise a complaint but I couldn't find any option to do so. Maybe I'll call Nykaa's customer care and bring to their notice, because I am paying so much money. This foundation retails for 5,100 and after discount I got it for 3,634. Still, it is a lot of money. So I think I definitely need to feel special when I receive a luxury makeup. I don't know why they have done this, or maybe they have finished this kind of black box. I will bring to Nykaa's notice for sure. Next, I had to restock on my trusted and favorite Tete Max Fit makeup fixer. I have been trying it out all this summer, and let me tell you, it did not shift my makeup, it did not melt down my makeup. Even if I was sweating, my sweat was not getting cloudy whenever I have used this makeup fixer. I even tried to use it in harsh winter season, and I noticed that my skin never went dry, it never stripped the moisture or made my skin feel dehydrated or flaky by any means. It is a very beautiful lightweight makeup fixer which gives you a very natural radiance on the skin. I am actually loving the finish it provides, and I would highly recommend. If you haven't seen my recommended video, I did recommend this makeup fixer in that, and I would like to say that if you cannot afford the Urban Decay all nighter, then you have the stated one. And coming to the last product of this haul, it is La Mer Oh My BB Primer. I again had to restock on this. Now this is not from Nykaa, you guys, because this primer was not available anywhere, but somehow luckily I got it from Amazon and it was on such a steal deal. I had to restock on this because the one I was using is almost finished. This is something I really love. It is very hydrating and moisturizing on the skin, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. But for oily skin type, I would not recommend this primer at all. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. And if you enjoy haul videos, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles. Those link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.